Good afternoon, students. In the last video, I have discussed about how to write a review of a fiction or book review. This video will help us in writing one sample of book review. The question is, choose any recent fiction that you have read and give an account of it based on the following details, such as name of the book, theme and plot, critical appreciation, and final assessment. I have not written everything here, just the first paragraph and some details of the content, and then final assessment. You have to complete this task as an assignment. So the fiction that has been taken here is Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. I repeat, this is the title of the book, and we can give it as the title Adventures of Huckleberry Finn by the author Mark Twain. The number of pages is 336, and genre is fiction. Genre means type of literature. So let us start. Mark Twain's Adventures of Huckleberry Finn is one of the most celebrated novels in American literature. It is worth reading for the storyline is so real that one gets hooked onto it and would not rest till one has finished. See, in these lines, we have tried to grab the attention of our readers to make them understand the importance of the book. So, from the very beginning, from the very first line onwards, our main motto and intention is to grab the attention of the readers towards this book so that they can read. So, our lines and our words have to be very powerful. Let us continue. It is a real life story of a young boy named Huck Finn. Okay, the name is Huck Finn. At the age of 14, he is torn between what he is taught to do and what he wants to do. See, here the students always get confused about the tense form. In which tense I can write this sort of things. You see, I have mentioned here complete positive sentences, and I have used present simple form. At the age of 14, he is torn between what he is taught to do and what he wants to do. It gives a vivid account of the lifestyle and customs of the people of the 19th century inhabiting in the small town of Hannibal, an American city. So, this is our first paragraph or introductory paragraph, where we have highlighted the main cream of the book. Second paragraph, we are writing about the protagonist or the main character. Huck Finn, the protagonist or the main character of the novel, is tormented and tortured by his abusive father. Therefore, he leaves Hannibal to see life on his own. He is accompanied in this adventurous escapade by Jim. Jim is another character who is a runaway slave and who stands by him in all his ordeal. Ordeal means kind of struggle. Throughout the journey, the difficult journey, you will find the character Jim with our protagonist Huck Finn. So, in this way, you have to continue. You can write 2 or 3 more paragraphs. Okay, after writing this first paragraph and the second paragraph. This is the way that we can do it. Then the final assessment, I have tried my best to give one of the best assessments for this book so that it will create interest in the minds of the readers to go through this novel. It is a must read book for a teenager to accentuate the power of observation. Besides, it is also important as the story of Huck's journey from boyhood to manhood. Further, it also enhances one's ability to see the humorous side of life by observing the actions and behavior of ordinary people around us. So, with this, we can end our book review or the fiction review. Throughout this write up, you have to keep in mind that whatever I am going to write about this book, it's completely my opinion, and almost all the time every learner will try his or her level best to give almost all the positive aspects of the book so that it can impress and it can enforce our readers to go through this book. So this is one sample. Students, you can take the help of this sample, and I want you people to complete this in your English 1 notebook, because at the end of every aspect or every task, I would like to say that the more we write, the better we learn. The more we write, the better we fine tune our writing skill. So I wish everybody must write it as one of the samples. Thank you and have a nice time.